My dear students, I believe that by God's grace, all of you are fine. Life teaches us to make good use of time, while time teaches us the value of life. The year 2020 began with lots of expectations, dreams, and numerous new resolutions. लेकिन किसी ने अपने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा होगा कि आने वाला पल ऐसा होगा. We are all sitting at home and wondering about our future. Today, the TV and print media are communicating a sudden increase in panic and anxiety. But you must believe that tomorrow will be better than today. Don't forget that every day God thinks of you, every hour God looks out for you, every minute God cares for you, because every second He loves you. परिस्थिति बदलना जब मुमकिन ना हो तो मनस्थिति बदल लीजिए. सब कुछ बदल जाएगा. Today COVID-19 has become a global issue. We all know that it is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. But why are you worrying? Everything is not locked down. The sunrise, oxygen from air, family time, responsibilities, love, creativity, prayers are not locked down. The list continues. Friendship, meditation, hobbies, and finally, the hopes are not locked down. Do whatever you wanted to do. लाख दलदल हो पांव जमाए रखिए. लाख दलदल हो पांव जमाए रखिए. हाथ खाली ही सही ऊपर उठाए रखिए. कौन कहता है छलनी में पानी रुक नहीं सकता. बर्फ बनने तक हौसला बनाए रखिए. My dear students, the crisis has hit us all, but I have something to say. मुश्किलों का आना तो जीवन का एक हिस्सा है और उसमें से हंसकर बाहर निकल जाना जीने की एक कला है. Remember, we have 4 powerful resources: love, prayer, hope, and positive attitude. Everything can and will change. आपने पहले भी challenges का सामना किया है. It is definitely a learning experience. Our wants are unlimited. लेकिन कभी-कभी जो हम चाहते हैं उसका नहीं मिलना भी एक वरदान बन जाता है. A cheerful smile is the best way to face every problem, to crush every fear, and to hide every pain. Things will happen. You cannot stop them from happening, but you can definitely control your reaction. Allow yourself to have some fun. Just try to win everyone's heart and never try to defeat anyone. You are the author of your life, so don't be afraid to make changes in your script. लोगों का नकारात्मक सोच से अपने आप को दूर रखें and don't forget to count your blessings. कुछ सिखाकर ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा. कुछ सिखाकर ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा. फिर एक बार हर इंसान मुस्कुराएगा. मायूस ना होना इस बुरे वक्त से. कल आज है और आज कल हो जाएगा. मीडिया के जहर से दूर रहें. If you stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Positive thinkers have a solution for every problem. इस लॉकडाउन के चलते पूरा परिवार साथ है। आपकी नानी माँ, दादी माँ, नाना जी, दादाजी एंड अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स। अगर आपने किसी का दिल दुखाया है तो सॉरी कहें, मन हल्का हो जाएगा। खूबसूरत है वो हाथ जो किसी के लिए मुश्किल के वक्त सहारा बन जाए। If you light a lamp for someone, it will brighten your path. छोटी छोटी खुशियां ही तो जीने का सहारा बनती हैं। इच्छाओं का क्या, वो तो पल पल बदलती हैं। Each heart has some pain, only the expression is different. Some hide it in their eyes, while some hide it in their smile. आप अपने लिए, अपने सपनों, अपने गोल्स एंड विजन्स के लिए भी वक्त अवश्य निकालिए। I would like to quote Laura Jones. Someday we will look back on this moment and it will forever remind us to never take the little things for granted. It will remind us to hug with all our heart, to pause, to appreciate holding someone's hand and live in the moment that we are surrounded by others. रोज बाटे, रोज बढ़ेगी, एक मुस्कुराहट, दूसरी दुआ. Everything is temporary. Emotions, thoughts, people and scenery. Don't become attached. Just flow with it. Don't forget, Neelu ma'am remembers you. She misses you and she loves you. Stay safe because better days are coming. My blessings are with you always. Begin each day with love in your heart. Expect blessings and share goodness. Shine like the sun and inspire someone. And never forget that God is with you always.